All right, this is a monthly recap for September 2024. Open book, full transparency. I want to show how I ended up with a small account. Right here it is, positive 84.57, almost $85. That $85 may not sound like a whole lot. Certainly, I've had better months than this, but that's covering my city utility bill for the month of September, my water bill. I won't turn that down. The calendar here, I did have a short month. This possibly could have been better than this, but I had there was 3 days in the month I did not trade. Monday the 2nd was Labor Day. Nobody could trade. The markets were closed. The 5th and the 27th, I did not trade just simply because there was nothing that fit my criteria those 2 days, so I chose not to trade at all. This represents 18 trading days that I did have. And of the 18, I had 12 days that were green and profitable, and I had 6 losing days, equaling the 84.57. Over here on the right are all my trades for the month. I'm certainly not going to go through all of these. It would be very time consuming and pretty boring. But I want to show you I do have this sorted for the month. The first actual trading day, Monday being Labor Day, was the 3rd. So I have this sorted from the 3rd down here all the way up to the 30th, which is right here, the last trading day of the month. These represent 26 trades I took total over the 18 days. Okay. Now, one thing I want to mention that's very important. I have very little time invested in all this. As a scalp trader, I can literally sit down in front of my computer at 9:29 a.m. Eastern, 1 minute before the market opens, and I can be completely ready to trade because I'm just looking for momentum and movement. I do not need to study charts over the weekend and into the evening and, draw all these trend lines trying to second guess what a stock's going to do tomorrow or next week. None of that is necessary. So, very little time invested and a little $300 account. I want to show how you can bring extra funds in every month, treating this as a side hustle. Now, you can do this with a $100 account. You can do it with a $3,000 account. The numbers are all relative. It's just whatever fits your style. I take $300 and I bring in extra each and every month. So this is just my transparency and recap for the month of September 2024. Today's October 1st. It's a new month. Let's see what the month brings. As long as I have a full month of trading, I may be able to do better than this $84. We'll see. But going forward, I will be doing a monthly recap every single month, showing progress and what is possible with a very small account. So that's my recap. I appreciate you stopping in and taking a look. And let's go forward and see what October brings for us.